Hi everyone, it's the 28th of June. As you can see, the red channel drew ES to the golden top band, which has been, which was my target. Is it going to reverse at this golden top band and come down to break it, or is it going to break that golden top band and keep on running towards 5,600? I think if it does break, that's a buy signal. If it breaks these red and blue supports, and especially that golden one, then it's going to pull back, which may call for a short-term short. But I don't think it will because SPX has broken out of the blue bull flag and it's still inside this red potential uptrend. So there is not much downside here. Dow Jones is off the golden support rail. It's this internal support rail. But I think if it does bounce and then maybe it wants to come back down, touch that golden bottom and then we rally further. So at the moment, I'm still holding the half long cash Dow Jones. It's this consolidation. Is it going to rally up from here or is it going to come down, touch the golden bottom band and then rally? I don't know that yet. It's just like we have to respect the price action. At the moment, we don't know. NASDAQ has made another marginal high yesterday. Okay, and we had kind of a bull flag here, right? This bull flag, this red one, is broken to the upside. Not a very clean break. So I can't say this is a really nice bull flag, but it has been broken if anyway. After the, like this is an extremely strong uptrend, especially this green one, excuse me. And it is maybe it wants to touch that blue bottom band and then rally. This is NASDAQ cash. It still may come down. You can see it's NASDAQ the continuous futures is making new all-time highs, but SPX is NASDAQ is not doing it yet. So maybe we pull back down to that golden support and the red one, and at some point we will also, like to form, maybe we go to a new marginal high, right? Start to pull back, right? Get to the marginal high, pull back, and then rally to test that golden. So before we test that golden and red, it forms a bull flag. That remains to be seen. Russell is now breaking out of the golden bull flag. Look at this now. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth touch. 2, 3 touches on the bottom band. This is a very, very important break. If it happens today, I think the small caps are going to play catch up. Okay? Look, if you look at the 1 hourly chart, right, this red top band is being forced to break. So this is a kind of a sideways channel. Look, it's trying to break it. It already has cleared the golden top band. I think if it moves above 2072 today, then it's a go-go. Then we're going to see it rally to 2150. And then, yeah, these small caps are going to play catch up at some point. They will, and I think this is the start of it. FTSE is I mean, it's still consolidating. I can't say much about it anymore. The red top band is being forced to break without coming to the green or blue supports by DAX. Okay, right, that red top band, obviously it's holding at the moment, but if and when it breaks, that is going to start a big rally. I think that's quite clear bullish signal coming our way. All right, so you can see, right, something like this. It's not the best bottom band there, but if I align the top band 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, then the breakout should start a big rally. TLT has broken and back tested that green internal support after breaking out of the golden bull flag. So this is also looking very good. Commodities, oil. We bought oil after the break of that purple resistance yesterday. It back tested it, and I thought maybe that black top band is going to hold, but it didn't. So that's good news. It's not really pulling back one more time, and it's inside this green uptrend. So this is looking pretty good to me. And yeah, I'm going to be holding long all the way towards 83.50, 84, as long as this green channel stays intact. And Brent oil's breakout is much more clearer. You can see that golden support held, purple bull flag, broken, and it's making new highs now. And we will see whether that blue resistance is going to get tested and if it holds. This golden channel, of course, is driving it to the upside. This is natgas. It's still reversing, right? After the the green top band caused the reversal. The red support is broken and the purple downtrend is still on. Small downtrend, but it's still on. And if it breaks this blue and purple, that's going to cause a big move down. For the bullish option, it has to get to the green top band and clear it. So this is gold. It's almost off that golden support. It didn't touch it really, but it got there. The black top band is getting tested, so we may get one more reversal. And from after that, I think we're going to rally to break out of the blue and black. This is a very critical level. Obviously, it may want to get to the blue and red, completely ignore the black, get to the red and blue, and then reverse from there. And that would be 23.38. On the futures continuous, it has broken up that red resistance, and that's interesting. And it didn't get all the way to the golden bottom band. So silver had broken this red channel and it's inside the blue bull flag. I'm thinking, is it going to come down and break out, maybe the green, or if it wants to push, it really has to break that blue bull flag. As simple as that. This is platinum's continuous chart, as I showed yesterday. Golden bottom band at 1000, 1001. I marked on Twitter, and that's exactly where it bounced. It's already up 15 points. So this is now an uptrend formation. On the spot chart, that formation was a little bit lousy here, but the continuous futures chart is showing us a much more precise golden uptrend. Oops, sorry. This is copper, and it has to break that black bull flag to the upside to start a rally. And the level for that is 443. Let's have a look now. Euro. Euro is struggling what to do with herself. This purple channels break, back test, the blue support, the blue resistance, so it's kind of a triangle. Is it going to break to the upside, or is it going to come down? I think it will come down. Pound sterling is still coming down, making new marginal lows after the break of the green and golden supports. US dollar, Japanese yen, extremely strong. Is it going to touch that red top band and reverse there? That's the big question. We don't know that yet, but there is also this green, maybe not green, not yet green. Yeah. Is that a resistance there? I don't think so. Or is it, it's right there actually, right? It may turn into a major resistance, this one. Okay. So that's high of 22. That's the high of 24 before in May, April. And this year is a new high. And it may turn into a major resistance. So got to watch out carefully. DXY, as I said, it has broken the red bull flag and back tested. And actually, if it can break this blue resistance, that is going to open the way for new highs above 106.50, 107, 107.50. Aussie dollar couldn't break it. That red resistance held and the blue support is broken. So that short-term support is broken. We may get a back test, but then from there, if it comes down to this golden support, it may really touch the red and even tank further, just like Kiwi. Kiwi had broken that black support, and yesterday we came for the break down level just over 6100, and now it's coming down. It even clears the red support, and there's more downside. So that's why Kiwi was telling the truth about the US dollar strength. Aussie dollar coffee had broken down. I need a coffee. I was exactly thinking a coffee, and now the coffee chart. That blue bear flag is broken, and the gap is filled. There's just a little. This gap was filled yesterday night. Last night it opened another gap, but there's another small gap. So we'll see. I'm still very bullish on coffee. I don't think that red support is going to be broken. And I think that red resistance will be broken and we get to 250. This is wheat. Huge bounce by wheat. And the reason is, of course, a contract rollover. I think it's a contract rollover. So the July contract is 557.50. That's already a bounce. Yeah, 582. So that's the thing. Wheat, September, 582. Okay. So that's a contract rollover bounce, but a bounce is a bounce on the continuous. So the bounce came at the right time. The point is it going to come down and then rally? That's the point actually that I'm making. So this is the September contract, and if it does reverse, or is it breaking up? No, it has breaking. It has broken out a little bit, so this looks slightly bullish for the September contract. Let me see. Yeah, maybe it hasn't. Yeah, I don't know. But either way, maybe we are bottoming out on all these agriculturals. The purple bottom band held, but at soybeans, so it crashed. This is the continuous chart, obviously, and this here is the August contract on soybeans. An August contract is off the red bottom band, which is 1142. And yesterday I said 1142 or 1140 as the bounce off the purple bottom band. That's exactly what it's doing. So I'm guessing and I'm thinking this spike down was caused by the contract rollover, and we're going to fill that gap by August contract rallying off this red bottom band. I'm going to put that in purple as well. So I think this is a very good buying opportunity for soybeans. And if you look at the blue support or blue resistance, and this kind of looks like a veg, yeah. And that veg will have to be broken to the upside. Corn had broken that red bear flag, and the corn downtrend is still on the which one was that? September contract. Yeah, this is the September contract at 424, and that's exact. I mean, it's form. That's what's following. The continuous chart is following the August contract, which is that red channel driving it to the downside. Maybe ultimately we're going to test that red, and that's where we can buy the September contract. Cocoa is coming closer to that green bottom band. We'll see whether it holds. Sugar is staging a huge breakout like this. Yeah, that purple resistance is broken. There's just one more worry for me. So, right. No, that one is also almost breaking. So I'm going to put this in black. Sugar is over 2018, and this is the October contract. October contract is testing the blue top band, so it hasn't really broken out, I must admit. So there's still a danger for it to come down, right, like this. And that black top band, the purple, the green, we are not sure yet whether sugar has broken or not. Cotton may get to that blue top band and reverse. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. That diagonal green support has to be broken for more downside. Ethereum is still like this, so I think that blue top band is holding, which is why it may be reversing and coming down one more time. Okay, it hasn't really tested it, but if it does test, yeah, then I think Ethereum is inside this blue downtrend. Aave trying to get to that green resistance and break it after the bounce off the red support. So ACH off the golden and blue, and it still hasn't moved to the downside. ATA doesn't look good. ADA is off the blue support, and it has to get to the golden and run. Audio is off that golden support, but there is no signs of rally. AVAX, not much to say. BMEX is on that blue support, but it's still, it's trying to break that green. So BMEX is a failure here. And Binance doesn't look good at all because of that failure, bull flag failure. Chile's not good at all. CKB, no. Coty, not really. Data, no. Dogecoin is off the red support, and it's this green veg that is still keeping it going, really. And Doji has a massive bullish setup here if it can break that green resistance. Polkadot off the green support. I'm just gonna, Chainlink, no. Litecoin, not really. Mana is off the green support, and PAL is the best one because of the green bull flags break, right? And it is inside the purple bull flag, one of the best here. Pepe is out of the golden bull flag, and it has more upside from here. Tia, no. Monero is out of the, that green channel is broken and back tested. Sorry, that green bull flag has to be broken by Monero at 180, and Ripple is getting very dangerously close to that blue support. It may break it to the downside. So there is that. All right, guys, take care. Keep in touch. Bye.